Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to claim and use your free $20 USDT coupon on BYBIT. For that, you need to launch your BYBIT application and here on the home page, tap on the Rewards Hub option. Now, for any reason, if you are not able to find this option on the home page, then most probably there will be the more option. So you just have to tap on more and here in the search bar, you need to search for Rewards Hub. Once you are able to find it, you need to tap on it and here you will be able to see the My Rewards section in the top. So you need to tap on it and here you will be able to see your rewards that are currently working. So as you can see that I received the 10 USDT coupon code, but you might get 5 USDT or 20 USDT coupon code. So in order to use it, you just have to first tap on it and then you will be able to see some other information relating to it. Now if it is not expired and if it is currently working, then you will be able to see a claim option in the bottom. So you need to tap on claim and your 20 USDT coupon will be claimed. Now how you can actually use it? So here you need to come on the home page of BYBIT and you need to search for any of the tokens or the coins that you want to purchase. Currently Dogs coin is working very fine, so you just have to tap on it and here you need to press buy. Now here you need to enter the amount of USDT that you want to spend in order to purchase dogs and here press the buy button. Now BYBIT uses the gas fees whenever you make any buy and sell. So initially once you have the 20 USDT fund, your fees will be cut from that USDT quota. Once it is completed, the fees will be cut from your own capital, but since you have 20 USDT, it will cut from your 20 USDT quota. So this way you will be able to claim your 20 USDT coupon on BYBIT. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.